Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Alex and we are here for the June 9 in 2019 update for my products, you guys. Alright, so we have quite a few products to go through. I'm very excited about this time around. I'm doing good, you guys. I'm doing good considering I have quite a few project pans going, but I've come to realize that I don't buy anything anymore besides eye products like eyeshadows, eyeshadow sticks, eye creams, glitters, that kind of stuff. Anything that goes on these eyelids is what I buy these nowadays, and not too much of that. Everything else I'm not buying, so it's a lot easier to use those stuff up for me at least. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started with the products that I have. Alrighty then, so first and foremost, as you guys know, if I have any tallies to share with you guys on the screen, you will see them up here. The first product is something I am super excited about. I've had it since day one of the few things left from day one, and I'm so excited to say I finally finished it. My very first lipstick I have ever panned in my lifetime. Mini, full size, whatever you want to call it, I finished it. This is my Bite Beauty Honeycomb. Look at that, you guys. It is completely done. It's now, you could see, if you actually see this in person, you can see that it's right by the actual plastic. Like if I roll it down, that's what you see right there. This was relatively brand new when I first started it. Look at that. I used this whole thing up and it was not a chore at all whatsoever. I loved mixing it with different colors. I loved wearing it on its own. I love wearing it with a different lip liner to make it look a little bit different, dimension, whatever. Formula was amazing on this one. You guys know that I have loved Honeycomb for a very long time. I've actually considered buying a full size of it, but I've held off because I have so many, and I did find a similar color in my collection that will be replacing this one. But I finally finished this product. Since day one it's been on this project, and we have 1 down out of 9. Next up is my Sigma eyeshadow stick. You will see on the tally that I am actually doing pretty good, and when you roll this sucker up, this is all that I have left. I am so happy with the progress I've made with this. Bear in mind, this is easy for me to use because it's kind of like an eyeshadow base. I have it on today and you can't even tell that I have this on because it just works as a primer for my eyes. It's a beautiful formula. I have enough time to blend it out and sheer it out, but it still leaves a nice tacky base to my lid, so then my eyeshadows can adhere, blend nicely. I really like this one. I know that they came out with new colors, so if you are interested in something else, I would definitely recommend these. This is in Sorbet, but the formula is really good on this. So if you are interested in something and you don't like painterly or ochre because you have to stick your finger in, this is very similar to that. I'm not done with it. My goal is to finish this up, but I don't see myself having an issue with that. Here's another product that is almost there, but not done yet. This is my e.l.f. brow pencil. As you guys know, I've been using this nonstop, and here is where I am at. I have a little bit of a nubby left in here. This is what I'm wearing on my brows. I wear it every single day without fail. Every time I do my makeup, I do not steer away with whatever eyebrow product I use. I just want to use it to completely up. This is my last one of this. I have other ones in my collection that I will be using, so this one, once it's done, I will be moving on, but it's not done just yet. Kat Von D matte powder. What is this one called? This is the Locket setting powder. So this is the container that I use. These are the two that I poured into this container, and I am so happy to say about 3 to 4 days ago, I completely finished this up. I took out the sifter and I got every last bit I could possibly get from here. So this is completely done. 2 of these was in here. So basically I had 2.8 grams of powder in here, and it lasted me about a good 2 to 3 months. So these little suckers actually last a very long time. I'm happy to say I'm done. Did I like it? Yes, I did. It did work beautifully. If I like to put a glowy type of product with my primer to make my skin glow, because I don't like a full matte look, and this, because it is a mattifying powder, it really helped with that. I didn't look oily, but I did look glowy. It helped with my oiliness. If I was supporting Kat Von D, this is a product that I would definitely purchase. I really enjoyed it. It didn't change the look of, as far as color on my face with the foundation or anything. I didn't have to really powder myself. It actually worked very, very well. I'm very surprised about this. I wouldn't recommend it for dry skin though, because it worked really good with me. I don't know if you would work for dry skin. So this is done, you guys. Urban Decay liner. Man, I am struggling with this one. So this is what I have left. I am wearing it today with this lip product. I've come to realize I just don't like true pink lip liners. This is like one of those very, very pinky lip liners, and I just don't like it. If I'm gonna wear a pink lip liner, I want it to be like this color or a nude pink. So that's why I'm really struggling with it, but I have a feeling by next update I should be done with this one. I'm going to make myself finish this one up. I still haven't met my goal, but I'm getting there. Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is my goal, is to finish this one up. So we started out right here and we are down here. This one actually is not a chore. It's not really that hard. I was expecting more in here. I just literally like squeeze and squeeze so I don't waste the product. It's okay. I have a few more. I kind of like the Urban Decay one more, but it still works. It still works for me. It's just I'm picky. It's just me. My preferences are picky, but it's not a bad. For your eyes, I want to finish this up, so I'm getting there. I am getting there. Este Lauder, what is this? Este Lauder Universal Perfecting Primer. So this was brand new when we first started, and this is how much we have left. So I only have this much left. I'm going to say I probably have like 3 or 4 uses out of this. So it's not even going to last me another week. Honestly, this is not going to last me that long. So this is basically done. Basically done. You guys know that I only have a bunch of primers. Do I like this? This is very silicone-y. It's very silicone-y. It's not mattifying. It does smooth out your skin beautifully. Like it smooths everything out. But because I've been using this powder to mattify my skin, and the foundation that I use is a mattifying foundation, it works hand in hand to make me look like I am demi matte. I'm not completely full matte, but I'm demi matte. So that's the only reason why this works for me. And I do like how you could really see that it smooths everything out, but it doesn't. I don't know if I would buy it, honestly. I don't know. I'm not convinced 100%. Like, it's okay, but it's not my favorite. Last 2 products are highlighting products. So this is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. This is the liquid one. I've used this every day. Let me tell you, I have fallen in love with this product. I use it every day under my primer, under my foundation, all over the face, and it smells so good. And it gives you that beautiful radiant glow within. This is such a beautiful product. I don't see myself having too much more time with it. I've used it religiously every day, and I do my makeup about 5 to 6 times a day. And I actually have used this on my body as well to see how it looks, and it's just such a beautiful glow. I genuinely enjoy this product a lot, and I was gonna get rid of it, and I'm kind of glad I put it in this project because I realized how beautiful it is on the skin. To me, I don't need to buy a glowy primer if I have this type of product. I just mix this with my primer, and there it is right there. It's inexpensive. I don't have to go out and get something for it specifically, and I can decide to take it in and out if I want to on my face or not. So I love this product. I really, really do. I'm not done with it. My goal is to finish this up. I say it'll last me about another 3 weeks before I finish that up. Last product that I have is the Mini Opal Impressed. So now I am officially part of the pinning community of people who pan stuff and the lid breaks. This is the first time this actually happened. The actual pins came out of here, that's why. So as you guys can see from the picture, this was completely brand new, completely. And look at it now, you guys. Look at it now. Can you see how much I've used on that edge? I have used quite a bit. Look at the difference between that edge and that edge. I can see myself hitting pan right about here. You see, like right there, I'm about to hit pan on it. And that is my goal, is to hit pan on this. So how I've been using this is not only on my face, which I do have it on today mixed with another highlighter, but I absolutely have fallen in love using this on my body. It is the most beautiful glow on your skin. It doesn't look like you have glitter on, and it's that radiant glow within. Like, look at my shoulders. Look at my shoulders. I have it on my décolleté. It's so beautiful. I love how this looks. I put this in the front of my legs and my legs glisten in the sun. I'm actually, this weekend, while I'm filming this weekend I have an actual C16. I am gonna bathe my body with this sucker. So in the pictures I look so glowy, but that's how I've been using this one, is all over my body, and I don't feel like I'm wasting it because I genuinely like it. I'm not using that as an excuse to use it up. I really do like it. I love this color. There's other highlighters where if you put it on your body, you could tell that it's a yellow, you could tell that it's pink, you could tell that it's not really a glow within type of product, or they have too much glitter to them that you're like, oh, you're sparkling instead of glowing. And this one on your body looks amazing, amazing. So I am not hating how I'm using this one up. Okay, you guys, so out of the 9 products, the products that I've actually met my goal on is 1, the lipstick, 2, the powder. I'm going to call this one done because I only have 3 days left of it, and there's no point in me wasting a item that I could be using for this. So 3, the primer. And I think that's about it. I think I only used this time 3 products, which is a shocker because I've always been using 4. So I'm going to replace, I already pulled out the replacements for these 2, so I'm going to share the replacements with you guys. For the lipstick, the Honeycomb lipstick, I am going to bring in this mini from Marc Jacobs. This is called Slow Burn. I will put it down so you guys can see. So this was brand new. I have been using it the last few days just to see if I like it. This actually has less product, I believe, than the Bite Beauty one, so it shouldn't be a problem for me to finish this up. Obviously, my goal is to finish this one completely up. It is the same color as Bite Beauty, just with a tinge more brown into it, but it looks exactly the same on my lips. So I'm going to bring this one into the project pan. For the primer, I'm going to pull this one in. This is the Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector. So this is brand new. I have never used it, never opened it up. You guys can see there. So my goal is to completely use this up. This has 8 milliliters in it. So I don't know, I've never tried this, but I have heard this is truly mattifying. So I might be only able to use this little bits because I do hear that it pills up. So I'm going to have to like dab it into my skin to make this work. So this is the next thing I'm going to pull in. And as far as my powder, this is the next powder I want to use up. This is the Cargo HD Translucent Powder. I kept the box just to share with you guys. This was brand new. I literally opened this up a few days ago when I told you I finished this one. So I've only been maybe using this for 4 days. This is completely brand new. This is what the actual product looks like. And the nice thing about this, it brings this sifter thing. Oop! Oop, man, I almost dropped it. This is so finely milled, it is ridiculous. I have this all over my face, and let me tell you, as much as I like this one for mattifying purposes, this one just gives me a flawless skin look. I love how this looks on my skin. I've been wearing my makeup now. What time is it? I've been wearing my makeup for about, what is this, 6-7 hours at this point that I'm filming this. I have not retouched at all. I have not powdered. I have not blotted. I've been outside. I went shopping with the kids. It's super humid outside and very, very sticky. And look at my face. Look at my face. This stuff is beautiful. I don't even know if this stuff exists because I've had this for so long. You know how powders last forever. So I've had this for quite a while, but I love how this feels on my skin. And I really like this. I really, really do like this. So I'm going to bring this in. I don't expect to finish this up for the end of the year. This is going to be in here for the rest of the year. So just prep yourselves. I will weigh it so you guys can see where I stand with it, but this will be in here for the rest of the year. Just forewarning you. So that is it for my 9 in 2019 update. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming along with me. I'm having so much fun using the products that I do have, minus the eyeshadow stuff, because you guys know I love to buy eyeshadows, but that's okay. You can give yourself a little leeway to make yourself happy. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're doing this project pan, let me know in the comment section so I can go and binge watch you as well. Thank you again. I will catch you guys tomorrow with a new video, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.